Hello traders, I hope you had a wonderful Easter holidays, and I'm back here with my best analysis and the best trade of the day. And technically today is our first trading day of the week, and let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I analyze market today. Just quickly recap, traders, these are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis. If you would like to know how I trade through this platform, please watch that video. Link is given in the video description. Let's move into the three major currency pair: Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. Euro USD, and I also did few analysis just for the US traders because they were trading yesterday. We were off bank holiday in the UK. And I mentioned we had, as you can see with the previous price action, as I explained to you guys, we had a head and shoulder pattern, price nicely respected. As I keep telling you, if the price can respect, we had this long trade. Yesterday we had, as soon as the price break, we had this breakout. You can see here, and afterwards price nicely hit this target and the price developed another up channel. So you can see here we had another breakout today. Beautiful long trades, and let me share with you the intraday analysis, how it coordinates with our 4-hour analysis. As you can see, we had only two analysis. This was the analysis yesterday. I did breakout trade, and that was this breakout in 4-hour. You can see here, beautiful. As soon as the price respected 200 EMA in intraday, and that's what I explained to traders. Look for and technically this look like as a bull flag pattern. As you can see here, previous price action, head and shoulder pattern, price reverse and created a bull flag pattern, breakout trade in intraday, bank beautiful, and we have another correction, and then another beautiful impulsive trade. So you can see here this morning I explained to traders, because the price was at this level, traders were expecting, am I gonna hit this level? And that's what I explained to trader. We're going to trade what we see it, and that's what we this morning you can see here, just before London Open, where I created this. I said to my traders, as soon as the price gonna break, then it's going to confirm. But so far, based on the momentum in intraday, based on the 4-hour price action, we can see very strong bullishness. And as you can see, we had a beautiful breakout at the New York session, and you can see here price nicely hit to the final target, which is the red fib channel. So we had a beautiful long trade on Euro USD. You can see all this intraday analysis coordinate with the 4-hour analysis. As you can see here, we bank profit beautiful at the right place. You can see here, that's the resistance level. So tomorrow we'll see if any reversal candle pattern perform. Am I going to see some counter short trade, and again, am I going to expect another pullback at this level, or if the price gonna break, then keep taking along. So we'll let you know tomorrow. Let's move on to the pound dollar. If you look at the Euro USD, we had it beautiful. This was another analysis we did yesterday just for the US traders, and explained to trader if the price gonna keep respecting it, so we should be taking a pullback long here. So we had this breakout trade, beautiful, and as soon as the price hit 200 EMA, which is the resistance level, you can see another big psychological number, 139 level. That's what I explained to trader to bank some profit yesterday, and afterward today we had a beautiful short trade and bank beautiful pips. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. Let's see if that coordinates with the 4-hour analysis. You can see here we had this breakout opportunity. Again, this is the consolidation from, as you can see, we didn't have any movement, and as soon as the price broke on this level, and that's what we explained to trader, look for another pullback, any pullback. You can see here we had a beautiful pullback after the breakout. As explained into the intraday, we had a beautiful, as you can see, the price nicely hit to the green fib channel. We had a beautiful long trade this morning. As you can see here in 4-hour, price develop rejection, bullish rejection, and that's what I explained to trader. Look at in the intraday. As to explain to trader, look for this breakout. You can see here in intraday, and price nicely broken at the previous, because you can see the sideways market. And technically, if you look at here, we had a triple top here, and that's another sign for the reversal. Look at in 4 hour, we had the same exactly 200 EMA, 139, big psychological number. We had this breakout. Afterwards, I explained to trader, keep taking a pullback short trade. We have 1 and 2 beautiful pullback short trade on pound dollar. So we had a beautiful long trade and the short trade on pound dollar. We really enjoyed pipping on pound dollar today. And let's see, tomorrow we'll see if the price is going to respect this level and this channel. You can see up channel is developed. We might going to expecting another pullback and continue long. If the price gonna break, then short, and we'll let you know tomorrow about the pound dollar. But we had a beautiful trades, as you can see it. Dollar CAD, if you look at the 4 hour, and we had a beautiful short trade yesterday, and traders bank beautiful pips after this rejection. You can see here such a beautiful long trade this morning, but I missed this analysis because when price was at this level, so I explained to trader we have missed this analysis. So we did this analysis this morning about the dollar CAD, and let me share with you the dollar CAD analysis. As you can see here, we had a beautiful long trade this morning, and because explained to trader, you can see here this is hammer, and the price nicely respected this support level. And if the price gonna stay above the 100 EMA, and that's what I explained to my trader, and this level, then we should be taking a long trade, and the target would be this level. As you can see here, price developing a downside channel. So we had this breakout. And another thing which I explained to my trader, if you look at, you can see here inverted head and shoulder pattern. That's give us the confirmation which I explained to my trader. And this was the first target, and this was the final target, which price nicely hit once, and then afterwards you can see here breakout, retest, and we have another beautiful long trade. You can see here we have another bull flag pattern, beautiful, and price nicely hit again on dollar CAD. So we had a beautiful long trade today on dollar CAD, and we'll see tomorrow if the price gonna break this resistance, then long, otherwise might possibility of reversal. We'll let you know tomorrow. The best trade we had it today was pound yen and pound Swiss franc, I believe. Let me share with you the pound Swiss franc. We had a beautiful short trade on pound Swiss franc. Let me share with you 4 hour. As you can see here, I did this analysis, and I explained to my trader when the price break the major structure, so then we should be enjoying pipping it, you know, towards the trend and the momentum. As you can see, the price nicely broke on this structure, and even the price broke on this daily support level. We had a beautiful pullback short trade, and that's what I explained to trader. Just keep taking a pullback short trade here. And let me share with you the analysis, all of them. You can see I think I did, yeah, this was the analysis. We had it this morning, and let me share, make it this slightly bigger so at least we can combine with the 4 hour analysis. Okay, this was price was at this level. As you can see here, consolidation, price nicely broken in 4 hour, and that's what I explained to trader. Look for this breakout, price broken, and major structure is broken, and that's what I explained to trader. Now it's time. If you look at the bottom, momentum was bearish, so I said to trader, keep taking a pullback. 1, 2, 3, 4, beautiful pullback short trade on pound dollar. We had a based on this 4 hour analysis, and afterwards at the New York session I explained to trader, as you can see here in the live analysis too. You can see here I mentioned the momentum is bearish. As long as the momentum is bearish, just keep taking a pullbacks. As you can see here, price nicely develop another pullback as based on the analysis. And then I also update this analysis instantly, because sometimes trader asking, shall I go long? I said no. As long as the momentum is bearish, and if the price can break above this resistance, then we should be taking a long, otherwise short. So this is update of this analysis instantly, and beautiful breakout. And as you can see here, price nicely beautiful short trade on pound yen. Beautiful trade on pound yen. This was the trade of the day. Beautiful. And we had a pound Swiss franc, beautiful short trade here. Beautiful. You can see here based on this section, and that's what I explained to trader, keep taking a pullback short trade. All right guys, as you can see, all this analysis, we banked beautiful pips today, or most of the traders. And if you would like to see all that analysis in real time with the live audio commentary support, if you need help in your forex trading in real time in live market, as you can see, that's all this analysis. It's very interesting to show all these pips with the transparency of analysis. But the more interesting thing is when you see it live, when you get the help and support in live. And that's the most important thing, is even if you don't have any forex trading experience, as I'm keep explaining and telling guys that the best way to train trader with the live market, so they can understand, we provide full price action training alongside with the high time frame, including fundamental analysis. And the key feature is to provide training with the live market, as you can see all this analysis. So that's the key thing for traders to develop a trading skill with the live market, when they can get a support in real time. Or even if you are struggling, you can develop trading skills very fast. Or even if you are experienced trader, as you have seen, this is all price action trading, and you definitely is going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So if you need any help regarding any trading challenges, or if you need to know how to trade with this through this platform, feel free to book one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Otherwise, have a nice evening, and thank you for watching this video, and stay blessed, and I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. All the best.